Hello everybody, Shazooz here. I'm out here in my mad science laboratory. Been telling everybody that I believe you can do work with just voltage alone and no amps. So this video I hope to demonstrate what I've got going on here. I've got my little mini generator over here and I want to show you the voltage. Got according to my AC meter 360 volts AC. Should I get that lined up? Yeah, you see there's three lights on there, two of them brighter than the others. But either way, there's 360 volts AC. I've got this system set up so that it won't, it's just giving me voltage alone. So you can see I plugged my cordless drill in there, or not my cordless, plug my drill in there, listen to the motor bog down. See that light go out right there? It's not enough to run my drill. Alright. Okay, now we're going to shift gears here for a second. I got an amp meter here. Older style. Just want to let you know it works. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to... This might get to be a dizzying ride here. Let's get this going here. Okay, we're plugging in the amp meter. It don't look like you can see it here. Let me get things situated. And I got my drill plugged into it. Okay, now you see this amp meter works. Alrighty then, let's get this back up here. Sorry about the dizzying view there, but I don't have a cameraman, so I'll put this over here. Okay, here we're back. Alright, now what I'm going to do is a little portable lab table here. I'll plug into the same system that I just made my measurements with the 360 volts AC, and then I'm going to hopefully prop this up where you can see it. Well, let's move the camera again. Burn it. Okay. There we go, I think. I got this little electric motor right here that I'm going to have to pull the guts out and show you about. We're going to turn the system on again. And we're going to plug in the motor. Now, it's not moving very fast at all, but you can obviously see there's no amperage going on right there. But we're still getting work out of just voltage alone. Not enough to light up my cordless drill even at 360 volts AC, but enough to run this little motor right here, which just locked up. Enough to run that little motor right there on 0 amps. Just thought that was pretty nifty. Wanted to show it to you. See what you think about it. Yeehaw. Okay. This is going to be a short video. Maybe. I'm going to take this motor apart real quick and show you what the inside of it looks like. Lost my screwdriver. There we go. Okay, let's see if we can get this down here on this table here. Alrighty then. Now this particular motor, which is kind of hard to see because of my crappy lighting, came out of, I believe, an old copy machine. I'll show you the numbers on the back of it when I get it apart. But it's a pretty interesting little motor. So what I've been trying to tell everybody all along about running voltage, running things off of just voltage alone, has to do with this particular design of this motor. Let's take the top off. Alrighty then. There we go. You can see the coils inside there. Alright. And here you can see the armature. And the nifty thing about this armature right here is it's magnetic. It's got little magnets built inside of it. And it is capable of actually doing work with no amperage. So you be the judge of that one. But I believe that pretty much proves what I was talking about, being able to do work with voltage alone. And like to hear what you got to think about that. Alrighty, I'm gonna put my motor back together here. It's pretty nifty little motor. See, you got to look inside of all these different electronics that they got out there, because you'd be surprised what you're going to come up with. Suppressed technology that they didn't want you to know about. Let's wire this puppy back together. Okay. I'll plug it right directly into the system. And there you go. Running off voltage alone. I said it. There's Sparky. He said it too. That's the generator I'm using. Got it set up just to run voltage. Well, this is Shaziz signing out. Peace and love, everybody. Work without amps. Alright, sorry about the dizzying ride. Peace and love, everyone. Yeah, it's me again. I forgot to tell you, there's some numbers on the back of this gizmo right here. It's STP-42D1020. It looks like 1.8 step 2.1 ohm. It's a 33.5 volt DC for 0.7 amps motor, made in China. And it has a, looks like a serial number down there, 07444G. So if you happen to want to try to look up one of these little gizmos right here. But either way, I was running it off of, you saw 360 volts AC with no amps. And actually got work with just voltage alone. It has to do with the design of this particular armature, the way it's set up. So it's worth looking into. Peace and love, everybody. Take care.